Hi guys, in this video I'll show how you can quickly attach multiple percentage based profit targets and stop loss to an existing position on Interactive Brokers TWS using Excel. So let's get started. So I have opened the Excel tool and I have also logged into my Interactive Brokers TWS paper trading account. And as you can see, I'm currently long in ITC 100 shares with average purchase price of 401.78. Now, let's say I want to attach three profit targets to this existing position with first profit target of 2%, quantity of 50%, second profit target at 4%, quantity 30%, third profit target at 6% and quantity 20% with stop loss at 1%. So in order to attach these three profit targets and stop loss, all I need to do is select this first row and click on place selected. So this attaches three profit targets with 1% stop loss. Now let's say I want to attach the same three profit targets but with the break even stop loss. So in order to do that, all I need to do is select the second row and click on place selected, and this attaches the three profit targets but with the break even stop loss of 401.8. Now let me show you how I have set up this Excel. So the first section is the contract detail section. In this section, we specify the details of the contract in which we want to place the order. So for ITC stock contract, we need to specify the symbol, which is ITC, the security type, which is STK for stock, exchange, that is NSC, and currency, which is INR. There are a few other fields as well in this section, which I have currently hidden, as we don't need to specify these fields for a stock contract. So if it's a option contract, we will also need to specify expiry, right, and the strike. And for some contracts, we might also need to specify primary exchange and the multiplier. So let's hide these fields for now. Next, we have the market data section. In this section, Excel automatically fetches live streaming market data for whatever contract is specified in the contract details section. So fields like bid, ask, last, current position, and average cost of the current position. So let's say if we change the symbol to Reliance, then this Excel will automatically fetch the market data for the Reliance contract. And since we don't have any existing position in the Reliance contract, these two columns are blank. So let's change this back to ITC. There are a few other columns in this section which I have currently hidden, as we don't really need for this case. So there are fields like high, low, close, delta, theta, and IV. Let's hide these fields back for now. Next, we have the order detail section. In this section, we specify the details of the orders that we want to place. So for attaching three profit targets and stop loss, we need to specify the action field in the parent section, price and quantity fields in the target 1, target 2, and target 3 sections, and the initial field in the stop loss section. So I have used Excel formulas to compute all these fields. So in the parent section, action is sell if the current position is greater than 0, else it's a buy. In the target 1 section, price is 2% above the average cost. Quantity is 50% of the current position. In target 2 section, price is 4% above the average cost. Quantity is 30% of the existing position. In target 3 section, price is 6% above the average cost and quantity is 20% of the existing position. And in the stop loss section, initial field is 1% from the average cost. And for the break-even stop loss, the parent, target 1, target 1, target 3 sections are same. Only change is we compute the initial field as the rounded value of the average cost to 1 decimal place. So once we have set up this Excel, it then becomes very easy to modify the targets and their quantities or the stop loss. So let's say if we want to change the target to 5%, all we need to do is change this cell to 5% and select the row and click on place selected. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any questions, feedback, suggestions, or if you would like to share any specific problem that you face while trading.